Well, this is the Peltier plate, and I am trying to build my own portable AC at home. See how it works. Here I have four of these Peltier plates. Uh, Four Peltier plates. These Peltier plates are the combination of two metal plates. One is positively connected and one is negatively connected, and you can allow around 6 to 10 ampere current through it, so that one side gets cooled and another gets hot. Now the main problem to build such an AC is the heating effect. Here in the printed side you get the cooling effect, and on the other side you have the heating effect. So I have to place it over this CPU cooling fan system. I do not have any I have to place it right like this. I have connected one of this with this power supply, positive and negative, and I have to place this Peltier plate with some heating paste. Now let's turn it on. First of all, here you can see the CPU fan is connected with this 12 volt laptop power supply, and I also connect this Peltier plate with this 12 volt power supply, and it is not possible for me to show the cooling effect on this Peltier plate, but let's try to do it. Okay. Now the only problem is the cooling of this Peltier plate. I have placed some water droplet on the cooling side, and let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the water vapor appeared on the cooling surface due to the condensation of water right here. As you can see, I have also injured my finger.